Now we shall talk about sentence and sentence structure. If you're familiar with sentence structure of English language, you must have noticed that for every sentence, we need a subject, verb, and object. Thought we may have sentences with subject and verb like he laughs or she smiles. Here, the verb is intransitive. A verb is said to be intransitive if its action is not transferred onto any object, as in sentences like he laughs or she cries. The action of laugh or cries does not require an object, but in case of a transitive verb, an object for the verb is necessary, like she cried at the loss of her mobile phone. He laughed at the joke. A verb must agree with the subject, and this arrangement is called subject-verb agreement. For singular subject, we have singular verb, whereas for plural subjects, verb that agrees must be plural. She laughs at the joke. They laugh at the joke. The moon is shining bright in the sky at night. Stars are twinkling. For flawless English, you must take care of these rules of subject, verb agreement, and adopt them your language habit. Now, subject-verb agreement. Subjects and verbs must have the same number. Thus, a singular subject requires a singular verb form, and plural subject requires a plural verb form. Like, the girl plays clarinet. The dogs bark. The juggling of family obligations and career responsibilities make college difficult for many students. Now, don't let words that come between the subject and verb affect agreement. The various types of drama were not discussed. Jerome, who hit the 2 home runs last night, is the best player. The price of those shoes is too high. Don't be confused when certain prepositions occur between the subject and verb. That is, along with, as well as, besides, in addition to, including, together with. Now, some examples. The coach, along with the players, protests the decision. The biology teacher, in addition to some parents, is taking the bus to the science museum with the class. The accountant, as well as his office manager, is attending the conference in Seattle.